everyone, welcome to Sewing is Fun. Today in this video I'm going to show you some designer kurtis. So next time when you are going to prepare your own designer wear or giving it to your tailor, just keep in mind all these designs. So let's quickly get started.
Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. Friends, brocade silk is a forever trend and you can make many creative Indian or Indo-Western outfits with this fabric. So in this video, I am showing you few brocade fabric dresses which includes brocade skirts and lehenga cholis. So continue watching the video till the end to see how you can style it in different ways.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear update.